Today we're getting started on sowing our warm season crops. We're using our favorite compost, Soil Cube. So we're going to time lapse our process of filling our trays with compost, and then we'll catch back up with you to describe all the different things that we're sowing today. Okay, are you ready to sow tomato seeds?
Yes!
Woohoo! Tomatoes! Okay, so we have a whole bunch of tomato seeds. Hey, Callie, let's start with the ones that you have. I just like to reuse flats that I've acquired. This is a 50 cell, which is to me the ideal size to be planting and seeding peppers into. I'm trying this year to really focus on just growing the most practical ones. So varieties that aren't terribly hot, but a lot of jalapenos because I use those in salsa. And the one that I'm getting started with here is Just Sweet. This is from the All-American Selections program, and this is a great pepper. And I'm gonna sow all of these seeds. So I've already made a divot into the soil cube. I'm using straight soil cube compost. I'm just doing one seed per hole. And if two fall in, it's not the end of the world. Sowing Seeds is a great seed company, as is Baker Creek, and the final step is just to kind of tap the sides of the tray, make sure all the seeds have good contact with the soil. Then this will go to the greenhouse, I'll water it in, and a few weeks everything will be germinated. Well, my garden helpers and I managed to fill the greenhouse with tomatoes. We ended up doing 15 trays, and I'm not actually sure how many varieties, but it's far more than we'll need. So we'll definitely be sharing tomato plants with everyone in our neighborhood.